only we could stay the night.
Welcome back to Sons of the Forest episode 4, where we have some unwanted annoying guests. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Old. That didn't sound friendly. Not friendly at all. So what are you up to? What do I got you on? Take item. How to... Okay. Oh my god. Can I feed you? Do I need to be feeding you? Oh shit. Are you dying on me? I have no idea. I still don't know. Let's get some breakfast for both of us. Nope. Alright, have some patience! There you go. Wait, I still don't know how could I give you the item? Is there... What is that little arrow? I don't know what I'm doing. You know, I don't know what I'm doing. E. Take item. Can I give you the goddamn fish? No. Well. And now it's gone. And you're smiling about it. Son of a bitch. What is clear 5 meters? Like, walk the area? Explore it on my map for me? Kill everything within 5 meters? What does that mean? You could build shit?! Oh my god. You could build a shelter? Are you fucking serious? Are you for... Are you just gonna build a random thing? How's that gonna work? Oh my god. Okay, well, whatever you're doing. You know what? I'm just gonna let him do whatever the fuck he's doing. Because I'm curious what this is gonna do. And maybe... I'll find out. I'll find out, and maybe it'll come in handy at some point. If he can stop walking directly into a wall. You gonna... Can we move you? Can you adjust? Can you I'm running and I'm running. I'm hitting the run button. And it's not... Dude. You're going nowhere fast, you know that? You know what? You know what? Just go back to what you do best. Yeah. Oh, I can't be mad at you. You're adorable. Haha! Where are the fish? There they are. Sorry, fishy. Don't do this to me! Ah! Sorry. Oh. Sorry. You know, or I could have eaten berries. These good kind? They're the good kind. See, I could have done that instead. But I didn't. Oh. Could have killed that bunny. But I didn't. Could kill this deer. And that one. It's so beautiful, though. How could you? How could you? Oh, when the seasons change. Watch out. Drinky the water icon? Drinky water icon? Drinky water. I really have to holster my stick. I can't drink water and own a stick. The fuck? That's strange. I guess I can't hold a stick and drink water, but I can hold an axe and drink water, you know. Video game logic! Woo! Flew over that. Where is the other love of my life? There's Kelvin, the first one. Oh my god. What is happening? What is happening? Oh, these woods are haunted! Oh, Kelvin, I thought you were here. Okay. Alright. I need to patch the cannibal hole. God, back to this fucked up dilemma. How did this happen? How did this happen? God, I love that. I'm so glad I figured that out. What is that? What the fuck did that do? Waste a log? God, diddly damn it. And where did he go? Calvin. Kelvin! I swear to God. He's supposed to be dropping logs over here. Kelvin? Kelvin? It's so quiet suddenly. Kelvin? Kelvin? Is he kidnapped? What happened here? Are you... What happened? Kelvin? This is fucking... This is eerie. Kelvin? Kelvin! Oh, shit. What'd you do to Kelvin? You motherfucker! What'd you do to my Kelvin? Huh? Oh, there's multiples. What the fucking shit? Forget you guys could do that. You just really high up. Where's my fucking Kelvin? I don't give a fuck what you idiots are up to. Where's Kelvin? Kelvin? Honey? Sweetie? Oh! You're just being yourself. I love you. You know what? You stay in there. That's good. Oh, God. You are pointing. Oh, thank you! Thanks for the... What are you, a zombie? What is this? What is this getup you got? Zombie tribe. Oh my God. Get out of here. Get out of here! Don't do that to my building. Get 3D printed mask. Fuck. You get out of here. See? I'm one with nature. I got a butterfly on my axe, but I'm not afraid to use it. Yeah, get out of here. You're fucking terrified. Yeah, get out of here. You wield such peace and power at the same time. Fuck out of here. See this? This is pure skill what I'm doing. I willed this butterfly onto my axe. You can imagine what I could do to you. Don't step to me. Get the fuck out of here. If you don't draw first blood, sometimes it helps. Don't do it. God damn, you guys are weird. Don't fuck my building up. Hey! We had something! Everyone hurts me. I see. Was he pointing? Don't, I worked hard on that, sir. Sir! Stop it! Ah. No. Get away from my unit. Would you stop? Just stop. Don't make me kill you. I don't want... Oh, no. Okay, that's not good. That's not good. I just didn't want gang warfare. You know, you just want to live in peace in your log cabin. I need meds now. Shit. Okay. Didn't want to have to take those. Sir? You're making me do drugs now. I don't appreciate it. I'm just having peaceful log cabin. Not trying to invite all the crazy bullshit you guys have to offer here at this lovely resort. I just want to stay out of the gang warfare. That's all. That's all. You gone? Of course not. You're gonna make me kill you. And then there's gonna be a big old bloodbath and the gangs versus that gang. Just get the fuck out of here, man. Get out. God damn you. You suck. You suck. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Ah, I can be crazy too. Just get out of here. Get out of my lake. Your stink ass. Yeah. You're gonna go back to fucking my house up, aren't you? That's not your estate. Ow, god damn it. I'm about to get kidnapped. Stop it. You're wasting my meds. Virginia, help me. Oh no. Are you gonna hurt her? Oh, fuck no. Whoops. That's not what I intended to do. Make me use 2 fucking bottles of medicine, you idiot. Well, I'm the idiot, but still. God. Virginia, just stay out of this. I mean, you can feel free to karate kick him like you do all the woodland creatures. You're plenty lethal, apparently. This man is fucking up my abode. Look at him. Don't spit on my wall, you son of a bitch! I can cheap shot you. Yeah. Don't fucking dodge. Ow, that sucked. Yep. Okay. Then go! Are you just downed now? And you're just gonna cry about it? I'm being nice. I'm showing mercy. Get out of here. Get your ass out of my house. Can you leave? I could have killed you. That is not the direction. You afraid of them? God damn it. You fucked up the last time! You butthole. I'm sorry. You literally forced my hand. He forced my hand! He did. And that's really unfortunate. You guys all saw it. I couldn't have been nicer about that if I tried. You stank ass. Now I will be peaceful, because there is a lady in the midst who was very scared of that guy. And I don't know why everyone can't stop running. Stop! Where was this karate kicking action? Why is no one able to... Kelvin, you're being really unproductive because the log... suddenly you guys can't process there's a wall here? I don't understand this. Alright. Get fucking logs and drop them right here. Not beyond this wall, because you guys can't process this wall. No one can process! This is like a death wall. Oh my god! Guys? Guys. Why is this so broken right now? You guys? Hi. Hi, yeah, you can't... You get... Neither of you... There's no... It's just not a viable entrance or exit. What the fuck is happening here? What? The fuck? Did not mean... Oh god. And now I'm a cannibal. Didn't... I'll just deal with that. Killing woodland... She killed it. Didn't even eat it. Now I'm a cannibal. See? Didn't mean to just eat an arm. Is this fucking them up? What the hell is happening? Where is this playthrough right now? Oh! Yes! Patch the cannibal hole! Fuck everyone. You guys need to figure out some other shit. Oh, hell yeah. Patch the cannibal hole. Let's also save our progress. You know, Virginia likes us again. I just want a door. No. Hey, he finally gave up. Did she? She finally gave up. They finally moved the fuck on. Good. Maybe it was those logs that were in the way. I don't know. The AI needs work, but I'm also impressed with parts of it, so, you know, it's how it is. Do not drop those on Virginia, so help me God. I love you, Kelvin. I'm gonna say your name right. 3 episodes, because I played this game for 3 hours on the day it dropped. And those 3 hours ended up being 3 episodes of me just saying Calvin over and over and over again. And being so annoyed in the recording. So I'm gonna try really hard to say Kelvin. You know, like the unit of, heat measurement, whatever the fuck. Yeah. You got an interesting name, man. And you're super cool, and that is not how you walk, though, but, you know, you're not getting a lot done today, because your AI is being really weird. But, you know, it's fine. You do enough. Make it 50 logs high, and watch them still bash it down with their dumb little bodies. Make some storage. Ay, god damn it, man! You lovable loaf. God damn it. You know what? No. We're gonna back up. So Kelvin the murder. You know what? That was a good call. That would have been another hurt for me. Oh, look at you. You're so adorable. Interesting. Just one, huh? Alright. Why do I sound like an ape? Fuck. Me king of forest! Look at him. We lord over him. I'm in a nice, beautiful place. I really regret not butting my fucking building up to the water, you know, to make it more defendable. What the fuck are you guys doing? Out of control deer. I mean, just covered in blood. I'm a monster. I'm a fucking fuck up of a monster. Look at you. Alright, let's stop lording and actually accomplish things. But I also need to find out where the fuck that cannibal camp was that had kidnapped me. Because it doesn't exist now. Because I reverted that save. Because the accident with Virginia. Apparently a lot of people killed her on sight. And I'm sure there was a way to undo that, question mark. I would think. That would really suck if there wasn't. That'd be really shitty. But yeah, I didn't know how to undo it when I downed her on accident. Oh my god, lady. Hi again. Just killing the woodland creatures, mass slaughtering them. But, you know, when cannibals show up, you're suddenly just cowering and useless. Slaughter everything. No problem with those 10 fucking legs. Hi. Is that what we're doing? We're sitting on the ground? Can we chill? Are we good yet? Just picking your toenails? The fuck are you doing? Hi. I'm just not moving. Just observing you trotting around my property. No big deal. Really hoping she comes and gives us that gift again. Because I had made that progress with her. Do not drop those on her, I swear to God, Kelvin. I'm being super cool with you. So yeah, apparently, I still don't know exactly how you gain her as a companion yet, but I figured if something is acting scared of you, you know, to not be hostile toward it. that just makes sense. And then someone said that, yeah, holstering your weapon works. Yeah, why wouldn't it? I had the right... It just seemed like... I don't know, it just seemed like instinct to me to... Something that's being friendly is backing away from you and acting scared. You try to not be hostile toward it if you want to not freak it out. Just makes sense. I hope this helps the motherfuckers not show up and just drag our logs into the wood. Can they pick out of these? And then watch Virginia spawn right there on that log, and it just crushes her to death again. What is that fucking noise? Phil Holder! This game is awesome. I love you. Stay safe. Whoa! Hi. Hey, we're cool. Sure. Hello. We're actually chilling. Hi. Whoa. What's up? You gonna rub your feet in front of me? That's not weird. Your feet hurt? You want me to make you some shoes, honey? Darling? Love of my life? What do you want? What do you want from me? Also, did she leave us a gift? I couldn't tell 100%. I think so. Yeah? That? I think. You know, when you gave me aloe vera that one time, that was cool. Also, can you stop karate kicking all the woodland creatures? Like, do that to the cannibals, if anything. That'd be better. I know that you've got some problems in the brain department because of the accident. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. How many things do you have to eat a day? God damn. I see what you do. Oh my god. I see what you do over there. I'm watching. I'm fucking watching you, you murder machine. Dude. Just walk directly up to me. What are we doing here? This fucking weird dance, this social... Oh my god. I could see why some people killed you on sight. You don't just start charging at them. What are you doing? Hi. You just walked up to me. You came to me. You came to me. Getting weird. Ladies, am I right? I keep sounding terrible when I say that. I'm a girl. Look, I may make jokes about that, but I feel like my experiences with men have been far more frustrating and shitty than with women, actually. So, I may make stupid jokes like that, like, fucking women, but you know what? Dudes have been way worse. But at the end of the day, it's just people. People just suck. It's really just people. Hey, these refill? Hey, can I have more meds, please? A certain jerk that I tried to have sympathy for shit all over that and ended up dead. I would love some medicine. Not being paranoid of this kind of bullshit all the time. And what is this? What? Dude, what? Oh, fuck yeah. Oh my god, that was awesome. Okay. That close to my house the whole time. I could have just stunned the motherfucker. Alright, that was an awesome find. I should... You know what? I need to be exploring. I'm just afraid. I'll admit it. I'm afraid, alright? I'm a coward. You got me. I'm a coward. So is this thing gonna, like, zap them when I smack them with it? Does this only have so much of a charge to it? How does this work? Hey, they did respawn. Fuck yes. Yes! Thank you. I was hoping for this. Well, this is awesome. Hell yeah. You take everything. When you're in a survival situation, you just pick everything up. More flares that are fucking use to my fire when I didn't know what the hell I was doing. Oh, I got... Oh, zipline rope. Is there a difference? Zipline rope? Is that just rope in the game, or is there two different... I don't know. I don't like that night is falling quickly on me. You know, I'm gonna go back. Well, don't... Okay. Still has a big question mark. It should now say, don't fucking eat that again. Can we note that? We may not know what it is, but can we note that it's don't eat that? Oh my god. Right into that. I'm so nervous. Like, are there gonna be onslaughts of cannibals at times? I mean, I know there will be, but like at night, am I gonna get just smoked at night? Ambushed? Fucked? Striketh downeth? Yeah, I really do want a door on this side in case there's some shit going down. I think? Or do I want less doors? I don't know. Maybe I want less doors because they can just walk right in. Alright, we're gonna sleep because we're tired and it's too fucking dark to see. And the purple lighter is cool, but... I really need a shell. Oh god, don't make me kill one of them. Look at them. They're... Oh, can I have a pet instead? Ugh, I can't! Don't make me do that. Never make me do that. Don't make me need a turtle shell for something. What do I need a turtle shell for? Like, I got all the water I could drink right here, apparently. I haven't had to boil it or give a fuck or anything, oddly. Anyways, we're out of time for today, but join me in the next one where we actually go adventuring and see some shit. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Every